Now honey, this is my first human hair unit and I have to say that I am impressed, and you guys are not going to believe me when I tell you I got this $240 human hair unit for $84. You see that? Okay, Amazon. Girl, you know when you got some hair you just be like feeling yourself like, girl, you keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me, and you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Hot Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the beautiful unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is Honey, this unit that's on my head, this bomb.com unit. It doesn't have a name, but yes, it is a human hair wig, my first human hair wig, and it is from Amazon. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how it got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video.
Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Feed off negativity to remedy their fun. I can sense the jealousy and hate inside the okay, I'm letting you sit to your doubt. Getting upset cause you came in a pout. Stepping in circles and turning around. Prepping the hurdles and learning the bounds. Building them up to keep burning them down. Filling the cup, seeking, hurting to drown. Spilling enough saying you won't be found. Ain't no regretting, I'm sweating it out. Don't go forgetting and setting my crown. Down on the ground cause I came to astound. Feeling myself, it's appealing profound. Healing my health and appearing aloud. Stealing your ceilings, my head's in the clouds. Feeling my fate, I'm immersing my sound. Fearing the hate to create the compound. Dealing with clearing the negatives out. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay, so you know I'm around. Stop where you lay, devastating your ground. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay, so you know I'm around. Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Feed off negativity to remedy their fun. I can sense the jealousy and hate inside the okay, I'm stepping inside your house. Betting I'm kicking my feet on your couch. Checking no cushions and clearing you out. Setting my dishes up under your spout. Shedding your bedding and wearing it out. Messing your threading and airing it out. I've been expelling and came here to gouge. Letting you sweat your regret with a slouch. Came out the dirty, no Oscar the grouch. I'm disrespecting and spreading my clouds. Cutting, I'm flexing in front of your spouse. Getting you pressed like a fruit by the ounce. Testing your patience and stressing you out. Betting your basement and testing your doubt. Rip up your pavement, I'm tearing this down. Give up a statement and smearing you now. Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Feed off negativity to remedy their fun. I can sense the jealousy and hate inside the okay, I'm soaking in the ocean, a commotion is implosion. Soaking out my fire, higher silver's been provoking. Choking my desire with a little bit of potion. Hoping my supplier has acquired all the hoping. So they for a profit just to offset the corroding. Hold it like a faucet just to stop it from exposing. Those that tend to profit from the losses of the broken. Those the men that toxic living nauseous in an open.
So this is a glueless 150% Brazilian hair natural wave 360 lace human hair wig. It's 22 inches. So the cap construction on it, you do get your 2 combs on the front, your 1 comb on the back, as well as your adjustable straps. The density, like I said, is 150%. It's really, really nice. I am a person who loves big hair, and this definitely is not thin. I feel like it's perfect and right in the middle. And I feel like the curls give it some volume, and also I love the fact that I didn't put any product in it and it came just like this out of the box. The cap size on this unit is small, medium, and big head friendly, so that's wonderful. It does come just a tad bit pre-plucked. I feel like it definitely could use some work. It feels like it definitely needs to be plucked a little bit more, but I just wanted to come to you guys and show you this review. So the texture on this unit is definitely a little bit of a light yaki, and it's very, very soft. I did get a little bit of shedding. I didn't get any tingling, but the shedding wasn't anything too crazy or nothing over the top. So the length on this, like I said, is 22 inches, and on me it comes below my boobs, and I am 5'3" for reference. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what it's looking like. So the cons on this unit, my first con definitely would be the fact that the top part of the frontal has shorter hairs which kind of stick up, and I feel like you can see them more prevalently when I have it in this half up half down style. In the other styles where I had the hair down, I feel like I didn't really notice this as much, but when I do have it like this, I feel like you can see these hairs just sort of sticking up. Another con for me is gonna be the fact that I do wish it was plucked more, but that's also a personal con. Some people like doing that themselves. I am lazy girl friendly, so I like that to all be done for me. But other than those two cons, I don't really think I have any other cons on it. My pros for it are I really, really love the texture. I love the density. The quality of the hair feels really, really nice. Like I said, I didn't really get any shedding. I didn't get any tingling. And I keep running my hands through it. It feels like it's definitely really good quality. I like the fact that it's 360, so you can do so many different styles with it. It does come with 13x4 parting space. So real quick, I just want to show you guys, I guess, how it reacts. I haven't tried anything on it, but I kind of wanted to just spray some of my curly and wavy curl defining conditioner and detangler and see how the hair reacts to it. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Ooh, girl, look at that. You see that? Look how defined those curls are. Okay, Amazon. Okay, Amazon. Also, let me just tell you guys the name of this vendor. So on Amazon, this vendor is called DLW Hair. When I did get it back in December, so I did get that $84 deal instead of the original $240. Right now it's back up at $240, so I don't think that deal's going on anymore. But I definitely want to just give you some details on how I got it, because there are other units out there that are human hair in very high quality that you can get for ridiculously low prices. Okay, so all you're gonna do when you want to find deals like this, there's this group on Facebook called $20 and Under Deals /codes. I'm gonna leave all the information for this unit and how I got it inside the description, just in case you're interested in learning about it. So all you do is go and search that group and request to become a member. But when you get on that page, like I said, this is where I got it from, but they do not only, it's not specific to wigs, so they post all different types of things. They post clothes, they post electronics, they post household items, they post furniture, they post appliances. Like, this place, it's phenomenal. I've gotten so many different things from here. So honey, if you're interested in saving some coins, don't be afraid. Just look below inside my details. Make sure you follow that page and you'll start saving immediately. Like, I'm telling you, I am on that thing way too often. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say, you guys. Like, look at this. Look at this unit. That's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.